Hello, everyone. I'm Ayana, a VTuber.
Today we'll explain audio track mixer operation.
Let's begin. Let's start.
Select Workspace Audio, select Audio Track Mixer. Don't mistake it for Audio Clip Mixer. When playing, the clipping meter may turn red as shown in 1 and 2. It indicates over-leveling and causes noise to crack. You can adjust the volume for the entire sequence by dragging the volume button here. Turn down the volume when the clipping meter turns red. You can also adjust the volume for each track. You can change the volume of the A1 track by dragging the volume button here. You can mute the audio output by clicking the Mute button, M. Click the Solo button, S, if you want only certain tracks to sound out. Drag this button up and down to adjust the left and right balance of the stereo track. Let's take a look at the numbers. 100 is the right channel only, and negative 100 is the left channel only output. Zero indicates the same output on the left and right. This concludes the explanation on how to operate the audio track mixer.
How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.